Hello, good morning everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And we are still working on our 12 days of Stitchmas, opening our packages. We are on day 6 today, but first, let's grab some tea. We are running low on tea, I gotta tell you that. Let's see what we got here. We got, Earl Grey. Very common tea. I used to love Earl Grey. Fragrant black tea with citrusy bergamot flavoring. I used to love Earl Grey, and then I finally realized the one thing I didn't care for in it was the bergamot, and that's when I started drinking the English breakfast more consistently. Oh, this smells good. The bergamot can smell kind of perfumey if you're not careful. Let's get this going in here. I do drink it, it's just not my favorite anymore. Let's give it a bath. My water is super hot, so it should steep up pretty quickly. Okay, we'll let that sit there for a couple of minutes while we chit chat. I can already smell it. It's really fragrant. It's pretty good. Okay, so 12 days of Stitchmas, and we are of course getting items from Bothy Threads. And we are on day 6. So what do we got here? Day 8, day 10, day 9, day 7. Nope, we did day 6. We're on day 7. Okay. Day 7. Ooh, it's big. I think I know what this is. I think this is a hoop. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's a special kind of a hoop that I really like. Okay, so day 7. Nothing like being all confused. Wow, day 7 already. Seems like these are going faster than the other one that we did. I was right. Okay. Well, and I don't even have one of the wooden ones. When you saw me working on that embroidery project that we did before, I had the round wooden hoop. And that's kind of a traditional hoop that you would see, that you would think of. But here recently, they came up with these new hoops. Well, the plastic hoops aren't new, but this company, it's called Nurge, N-U-R-G-E. And I'll show you how much I like them. That green, this project that we did, I used my Nurge hoop on. And I just recently got my first Nurge hoop. And this is the same thing, but a little bit smaller. So I am very pleased with this. And these are not inexpensive. So this is a really nice item to put in there. This one it's the number 1, so it's a smaller size. And it is 110 millimeters by 95 millimeters. And wait, I do have a measure thingy in here. So it's about, inside measurement, it is about 4.5 by 5-ish inches. This is good for smaller projects. I use this one for my bigger projects, and obviously you can see how much smaller this one is. That's a cute picture right there. I love these. The twisty, I'm sure these have official terms. I don't know what they are. But you loosen this up, you pop it out. Come on, pop out. There we go. You loosen it up, you pop it out, and you put your fabric over this, and then you put it back in here and then tighten it back up. It's easy to tighten and loosen. A lot of the other screws, they were metal and they were hard to get a hold of. They were hard to tighten. This one, it's placed at an angle so you can get your hands around it. It's so much easier to use than the other ones. And it's got a little ridge in here. So when you put this together, it's got a ridge there and it's got a little bit of a ridge here. So when you put these together, they stay really solid and keep your fabric from slipping around while you're using it. And there is a right way and a wrong way. And I don't even remember. it seemed like there was something that was marked on here, right and wrong. I'll have to find that, because if you put it in one way or the other, it just holds a little bit better than when you are, when you've got it the other way. It will still work the other way. It just works better if you put it in the correct way. There we go. There, it fits in there perfectly. And then it's going to tighten up real easy. When you're working on your cross stitch, you want your fabric to be taut, but not like stretched out of shape, just good and solid like a drum, so that that's how you don't get puckering when you're working with your stitches. This is a fantastic item to get in this kit, and I was not expecting anything this nice. I'm very, very pleased with this. Okay, let's check our tea. Okay. Ooh, it's still hot, hot, hot. So this is our Earl Grey. Might be too hot to drink. Yep, tastes like Earl Grey. Not too bad though. It's I've had some that have a heavier bergamot flavor to it. That's pretty good. I'll be able to drink that and enjoy it. Thank you so much for popping in today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe, and please pop this to somebody who you think might enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye now.